Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do a cascading tree ring today. And we're going to do it by layering some paints in this cup, which as you can see has leftover paint from a previous pour, and I wanted to show you, sorry, that's a lot of breath. I wanted to show you exactly how easy it is to clean out these bowls after the previous paints have dried. Look at that. We have an 11 by 14 canvas, which means we need approximately 9.625 ounces per mixed media girls calculation. I will put that down in the description. But basically that is the area divided by 16. So 11 times 14 divided by 16 is 9.625. That's how many ounces we want. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to use a little weight around the edges and corners so that we don't find ourselves, the royal we, find ourselves scrabbling to make it cover everything and possibly losing a neat design in the process. Oh man. I was shaking up paint bottles before I turned on the camera, that's why I'm out of breath. Okay, colors we're using today: Artist Loft Silver, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in blue, and Liquitex Basics Light Blue Permanent. Everything is 1-to-1 with Floetrol, I believe. Floetrol and Floetrol, yes, okay. 1-to-1 with Floetrol and paint. So, we are gonna, this holds 10 ounces, so we will go not quite to the top. All right, here we go. Okay, we have our colors. Let me put the bottles away. All right, cascading tree ring. We'll see how this goes. Boy, that looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay. Quick torch. I see bubbles. And now we tint. It's interesting, most of my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Blue has been relegated to the outside, it looks like. Must be heavier. Sunk down in the cup. Ooh. Oh, gosh, that's gorgeous. All right, give me a sec to clean up here. Quickie torch, and then we will go in for our close-up. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Lower left corner. It's interesting. From my point of view, it looks much more turquoise teal-ish than it does on the phone camera. Hopefully you're still seeing something pretty. Upper left corner. Across the top. Upper right corner. And down the right-hand side. To the bottom right-hand corner. And along the bottom. I especially love where the ring is strongest in the middle. It's like a ripples on a pond. It's just gorgeous. And then here is the full frame, hopefully, and in focus, hopefully. There we go. All right, thanks for joining me today, folks. Stay safe. I will see you in the next video.